Hello friends, this is Partha Datta. Welcome to my channel Fitness 150. In this episode of Fit to Trek at 50 series, you will learn cardio workout for mountain trekkers. You need not turn yourself into a bodybuilder with bulging muscles to get into trekking. You just have to consider trekking as simply taking a longer walk in nature at any pace, at any altitude, and for any number of kilometers, hours, or days. Always remember how complicated or difficult or easy your trail is, every trek has its perks. The more challenging the trek, the more calories you will burn, along with more melting of your stress. Today, you will learn one more very important activity which is a must when preparing for a trek, that is cardiovascular routine. This activity not only boosts your confidence level but also make you enjoy the trek. Jogging is the best cardiovascular exercise as it is very much closely related to trekking, where your knees and ankles movement increases and their surrounding muscles get strengthened, and the same movement gets repeated during trekking. You should start your jogging at least 3 to 4 months before your trek starts as a preparation. Your benchmark for jogging should be to cover 5 kilometers in 35 to 40 minutes. You can start initially with a lesser distance, then as you progress you can increase it to 5 kilometers. Now let's start the 5 cardio exercises which will consume total 3 minutes, and each exercise you have to do for 30 seconds, and after each exercise you have to take 10 seconds rest between the exercise. If you cannot go for 30 seconds, you can start with 10 to 15 seconds per exercises, and as you progress you can go and do every exercise 30 seconds. First exercise is the jumping jack. This you have to do for 30 seconds. This workout makes your movement more explosive, gaining more strength and agility for trekking that require multi-directional movement. Next we will do burpees. This also we have to do for 30 seconds. This is a full body exercise which works on most major muscle groups, improves cardiovascular fitness, enhances your body balance and coordination. Burpees improves your strength and mobility. This workout is excellent to keep you trek fit. Now let's do jump squats. This increase your explosive power, improve upper and lower body strength and burn calories faster. This also improves flexibility in your ankles and hips. Also this exercise helps prevention of injury during other exercise routine and trekking. This exercise we will also do for 30 seconds. Next is mountain climbers. This specially targets your arms, shoulder, quads and core. This workout raises your heart rate. Mountain climbers builds cardio endurance, core strength and agility. Overall, this is a very effective exercise when preparing for a mountain trek. This exercise you have to do for 30 seconds. You can either do by keeping the toe of the leg which is coming forward in the air or in hopping style. Now let's do skaters. These are a great cardio exercise involving jumping in a pattern that shifts your body weight from side to side to create a skating stride. Though it mainly increases leg power, it is considered a full body dynamic workout as also targets your glutes, medius, and abductors of hip joints, thus making you ready for a mountain trek. This you can initially do slowly, then you can increase the speed as you progress. This also you have to do for 30 seconds. The last one is called high knee spot jogging. This is basically a full body exercise which increases your heart rates, increases a full circulation in your body, and is a very good cardiovascular exercise. This also you have to do for 30 seconds. If you find this video interesting, then please hit the subscribe button and like this video.